Hi guys, welcome back with my channel. On this video I would like to show you with the 3 basics in Microsoft Word. First, how to copy, and second, how to paste, and the last one, third, how to use Format Painter tool in Microsoft Word. So we begin with copy and paste in Microsoft Word, and I will tell you that 3 ways copy and paste in Microsoft Word also. So now I want to copy the word how to copy and paste. And to show on this line, I just select the text here, and after click home, and next click copy, and after that I want to display on this line. I just click on this, and next I click on paste button here. So you see that the word how to copy and paste will display on the center like that. And the second choice, if you want to copy but you don't want to use copy and paste on this button, you can also right click on the paragraph and use copy and paste also. So first click on the paragraph here, and next right click on the paragraph, and after click the word copy. And if you want to display or paste on this line, right click here, click on the paste this button. So the outcome of will display the paragraph after you copy. With the second choice is finish. I go on with the third points. I want to copy this image and to display on this line. First, I just click on image here, and next I use Ctrl+C. It means that I use shortcut key that's so fast. And after I want to display here, click on this line and paste it, and we use shortcut key Ctrl+V. So the result, the pictures will show after you paste and use the shortcut key Ctrl+V. And if you want to make your pictures stand on center, just click on pictures like that and click on align center this button. So the image will display stay on the center like that. So now with the copy and paste, I'm done. I'm going with the Format Painter tool. We use the Format Painter tool in Microsoft Word to format any tool from one text to text. So for example, I will use the Format Painter from this text and format the color to all this text in this paragraph. So first I select text like that, and after click on Format Painter here buttons, and next I format or select on this paragraph all. So check the result together. Okay, after format or select this text, it means that the format from color here will replace on this paragraph. Anyway, I want to format this style. This means that bold in italic from this paragraph or this text to format on this paragraph. So first, I select all the text here like that, and after I click on Format Painter, and next I format on my paragraph like that. So check the result together. The outcome after you are format, the text will change. And if you want to make the text is normal, you click on this one. So the text will remove all format from your paragraph. So now I finish the 3 steps. Thanks for you watching this video. Goodbye.